Hey everyone, welcome back to the shop today. Hey, today we're going to be looking at a unique tool, and this is not one that everyone would use all the time, but it's one that I think, there's needs for. If you live out in the country and you have some real tall grass, this is the type of weed eater or weed whacker you definitely want to use. As you can see, it comes with a 40-tooth looks like a saw blade, but it's actually not meant for wood at all, other than you can use it to trim your hedges, some light duty trimming around trees for smaller branches, and it does really well for. The other thing that it does really well for, if you live out in the country and you have real tall grass, with a normal string trimmer, you'd go through a lot of string, and some of those weeds are pretty tough, and they just would take a long time and don't do that great of a job. And that's where you would use a weed eater like this with a blade on it, because you can cut it down low to the ground. It does a really good job, and it's quick. This particular one is made by Hummindinger. Comes with a battery. It's got its own charger. Even comes with its two tools and these tools are for attaching the blade here. It also comes with some extra blades, and you could use these for this blade I would use for like trimming hedges, small limbs off of trees that you could reach. These I would use for actually trimming tall grass and stuff with. So that's what comes with it. This kit runs about $120 on Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description, so if you're interested in it, you can click on that link and go take a look at it. What I'm fixing to do is I'm going to take it out here and just kind of demonstrate and show you how well it works. A couple of things I want to show you, features. It does come with a blade guard. It has an adjustable handle. The length of the shaft is about 46 inches from here to the end. Comes with the battery, and in the handle you can see tells you how much charge is in the battery. It does come with a rubber handle here. It's got a safety button, so you can't accidentally pull the switch without pushing the safety button. So those were a couple things I wanted to show you. Now let's take it out and I'll show you how well it works. Okay, so I have a kind of overgrown yellow bell here. I'm going to show you how well you can use it for trimming. So you can see it's fairly sharp, and it did a pretty quick work with that. So this is what you want to use that for, like I described earlier in the video. You can trim small hedges and limbs off some trees that you could reach that were, I'd say probably an inch to inch and a half on the thick side is what I wouldn't use it for anything more than that. But those size limbs, it would do a really great job with. Hey, hopefully this was helpful. If it was, make sure you hit the like button, share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. And until next time, stay safe.